piloting here on BPTA. We've got 4 Jackals going down the range, conducting pairs fire maneuver in the platoon context. So we've got 2 reconnaissance patrols out, laying the enemy from the south to the north. Currently they're in a fighting position along the bun line, and they are now engaging enemy, delaying them in position. So Poacher Troop are the ISR, the intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance specialists of the battle group, conducting light close reconnaissance and ISR from the Jackal platform. The reconnaissance platoon, which is the platoon currently down the range at the moment, are here to find the enemy, providing time critical information to the battle group commander. So Poacher Troop today are focusing on their fire movement, particularly speed and lethality when combined together, required for effective fighting force in the battlefield. Poacher Troop's composition is 2 platoons of lightly mechanised infantry that include both reconnaissance platoon and the javelin platoon. The reconnaissance platoon has heavy machine guns and grenade machine guns on their Jackal platforms, as well as their ISR equipment. And then javelin platoon has the javelin weapon system included.